The sea was moving, but not the way the sailors expected. In the early morning darkness of 1513, wooden ships creaked and groaned as if pushed by an unseen hand. The wind was fair, the sails were full, yet the vessels crawled forward, dragged backward by something no one could see. Men leaned over the rails, staring into black water that shimmered with silent force, and whispered the same question. What is holding us? This was the Atlantic Ocean at the edge of the known world. Salt burned the air. Tar and wet rope filled every breath. Spanish explorers, hardened by storms and battle, now faced a stranger enemy, water that moved with intention. The sea itself seemed alive, flowing like a river beneath the waves. As the sun rose, confusion turned to fear. Compasses held steady, winds obeyed, yet progress vanished. Ships slipped sideways, as if caught in an invisible current tugging them north and east. Some sailors crossed themselves, others blamed curses. But a few began to notice patterns. Floating debris raced past the hull. Seaweed streamed in a single direction. The ocean was not still, it was traveling. This was the Gulf Stream, though no one had a name for it yet. In journals written by trembling hands, explorers recorded what they felt rather than what they understood. Faster waters, warmer seas. A steady force that could steal weeks from a voyage, or grant them. These notes were not poetry. They were survival. Ink scratched onto parchment became humanity's first attempt to map the ocean's hidden highways. Midway through the journey, a revelation struck. The sea was not chaos. It had structure. Like wind in the sky, water followed paths, vast, invisible roads circling the planet. What sailors once feared as bad luck was, in truth, a system older than civilization itself. As ships learned to ride this current instead of fighting it, everything changed. Voyages grew shorter. Routes shifted. Empires quietly rewrote their maps. The ocean, once a terrifying barrier, became a guide, if you knew how to listen. The emotional turning point came not in triumph, but humility. The explorers realized they had not conquered the sea. They had merely noticed it. The Gulf Stream had always been there, flowing relentlessly, shaping climates, coastlines, and futures long before human eyes tried to measure it. And so in 1513, with crude instruments and frightened courage, humans recorded more than a current. They recorded a truth, that the world is full of powerful systems moving beneath the surface, waiting to be understood. If this story moved you, sail with us again. Like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment about what hidden forces you think still shape our world today.